Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Place the Wii near the TV with about 1 to 3 feet of clearance. Clear space helps airflow and cable routing. Unplug the TV before making connections for safety and ease. Take the Wii power adapter and connect it to a grounded wall outlet. Plug the other end into the back of the console firmly. Locate the AV multi-out port on the Wii. Prepare either the composite AV cable or an HDMI converter cable for the next step. Match each colored plug to the corresponding TV input by the color code. Insert the yellow plug for video into the yellow video jack securely. Connect the red and white plugs into the red and white audio jacks. If you prefer HDMI, attach an AV to HDMI converter to the Wii and plug an HDMI cable into the TV. Turn on the TV after connections and set the TV input to the matching AV or HDMI port. Ensure cables are not bent and leave about 3-5 inches of slack at connectors. Turn on the TV and choose the correct input source with the TV remote. Press the Wii power button on the console or the Wii remote to start the system. Follow on-screen prompts to select language, date, and internet settings if desired. Use the red sync button inside the Wii sensor cover to pair your Wii remote if not paired. Adjust display settings to 480p or the TV recommended resolution during system setup. Test audio and video with a game or system menu to confirm successful connection.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.